Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful, beautiful kit from Starlight Paper Studio. It is called Coco, and oh my gosh, the colors of this kit. And yeah, it just makes you just want to drink a hot cup of cocoa. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so let us start off with the rest of the base. So I am using the pattern to like tear up, so it's terrible, terrible pattern paper. And I'm using that like a wash or like something to put this big deco with the girl holding the cup of cocoa. It's just so pretty. And then I'm working with the big deco to create like this it's not really a scene, but just to connect all those big deco. And then I'm using the really beautiful florals. I put another floral on the other side as well. And then unfortunately I chose washi for the foil, the accompanying foil. So, well, I just tried to work out with it. As you can see, like the phrase cut off the nose of the girl holding the the cup of cocoa. But anyways, it's fine. That's how it is. I just need to work with it with what I have. So I do put the other girl on the other end as well, and then again putting that other big scene on the other side, and using the rest of this pattern paper because it's so pretty. This pattern paper is so pretty. Not to use, right, with the snowflakes and like the green and brown colors on it. So yeah, and I just love using the like terrible washi or terrible paper right now because it just creates so much like it creates colors to your spread as well as taking up the space, so it's not as empty. So yeah, that is what I do. I then put some gold foil as well, which is like in premier matte premium matte paper. Unfortunately, like this, but I think it still works out. I put the bigger person on the other side because it fits more for the bigger person, and then it's the same like person there. See, a smaller size. So walking through the city and then going home on the other side. Haha! I have a story. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and some more foil, so snowflakes maybe. And yeah, I'll talk to you in the day today. I also forgot to mention that, those terrible washi, they help in with this kinds of deco kits because there's no bottom washi that I usually have for like the standard kits. So, it's a nice way of also filling up the space. All right, so on Monday, I got some Happy Mail from Hello Petite Paper and Blissful Jade Designs. The Happy Meal script is from Paper Trail Plans this time. All right, and then we were watching High Potential. I think it was on Hulu, and it's about this mom, this quirky mom, who has such a brain like who's this guy? Gosh, Sherlock Holmes. It's like her mind is like that. She like stakes in a scene and she's able to solve like the murder, or so she's part of like a group of is it LA maybe detectives or something like that. But yeah, she's part of that group. She's like a consultant and she's able to solve all the cases that they have. So it's pretty fun. It's a funny one. And there's, I think we were watching High Potential season 2. It should be back up right now in January, but we'll see. I haven't checked it out yet. And then I had a planning sesh. I was setting up my reading journal for October. All right. So the next thing I did was I was reading Bury Our Bones in the Midnight something soil. Yeah, it's so good. I really love V.E. Schwab, who wrote this. V.E. Schwab, who also wrote like the Life of Addie LaRue. I just love her book. She has such good writing. I'm like, you get so immersed in her writing. So the book is about like a sapphic sort of like three ladies or three girls, their stories, and like each time period and how the story came all together, and sort of like a vampires and fantasy and stuff. But it was such a good listen as well. So they said listen to it on audio, and yeah, that's what I did, and it was so good. All right, you know what? I've already missed the very great part of this spread, which was the Northern Lights. So the Northern Lights showed up tonight in Illinois, yes, and in so many parts of the world, or well, country, I guess. But yeah, it was so clear. You could see the reds, the greens. Maybe I'll pop up a video if I can. But it was so good. The Northern Lights. Oh my gosh, my daughter was like the one who really saw it, and she's like, "Mom, come out here." So it was so good. And such a phenomenon, such a great phenomenon. So yeah, that was what we did for Tuesday. I did pick up my daughter from her art club, and then we got some Dairy Queen, and then I took a nap. All right, so on Thursday, I was able to edit, I don't know what I was editing, maybe a daily journaling. And then my husband was feeling sick this time, so that's why you see that I will be showing you the UGG sick script that is from Blissful Jade Design, who does customized scripts, black scripts. And you can use my code Christy15 for her kits and anything else in her shop. And then I did order some chi noodle for my husband because, of course, a soup is like a comfort for if you're like sick, you just like something warm for your, just to comfort you. So yeah, that's what I did. And then on Friday, this time, I was the one who was feeling sick. Oh yeah, it's not good. I don't know where we got this sickness, but anyways, I wasn't feeling well as well. So another sick customized script. All right, and then today was actually my daughter's birthday celebration with her friends. So we did it in Fantopia. It's like this, like, you lots of ropes, and you climb up the walls. It's so much fun for them. We used to have this when we were kids. So I'm like, it's so much fun for these kids right now that they get to do this. So yeah, she had such a fun time. There were so many kids that came. And yeah, they were so noisy, but they were just having the time of their lives, and they were so hungry. I had to order several more pizzas because they went through the pizzas as well as the cupcakes that we brought to that like that birthday place. All right, so that was for her birthday celebration. And then on Saturday, I was reading Heat of the Everflame. This is such a good book. So it's the third book of like the Spark of the Everflame series. And oh my gosh, I just love this part. Even if it's so long, I mean, some people didn't like it because it's so long, but I enjoyed the Heat of the Everflame. It's like you're going from one world to another, so I enjoyed that. And then what else? We were still watching The Diplomat season 1. So if you know, was so raving about this show because it's so good. And then I was able to publish a plan with me, and then again I was feeling sick again, so I did take a nap because oh gosh, it was my cold and cough was just getting worse. For next week it's gonna be the same thing. Yeah, it was pretty bad, so just took a nap. And then what happened? So the cliffhanger of season 1 was like, oh my goodness, it's like, what? So we had to watch Diplomat season 2. Well, I did, or yeah, my husband also did. So we were watching season 2 of The Diplomat, which is another good season. Yeah, it's just everything that you find out, all the strategies, all the political things that the government really come up with these kinds of things, the strategies, and other other stressful things that comes up, and they have to like figure out how to like get out of a political mess. So yeah, that is it for my plan with me. Just a wiggle, and it's so beautiful. The skit is so beautiful. And yeah, thank you for what. Oh, so wait, these are the leftovers. There's still a lot that I can use for a lot of my journaling pages. Yeah, so pretty. And this is Coco by Starlight Paper Studios. So pretty. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.